Okay, so who can tell me what they noticed about this photo?
Trash. The water.
Alright, let's try to raise our hand when we say it, okay? I like everybody's idea though. What do you notice?
Water pollution.
Okay. What do you notice?
The lake is dirty.
Okay, so you know it's a dirty lake. Okay, what do you notice?
It's dirty. It's dirty.
Okay.
It's a dirty river.
Dirty river. Okay. What do you notice? They're all are good answers. What do you notice?
It has lots of trash on it.
Lots of trash. Okay. What about you?
It's polluting the water.
Okay. Anybody else want to take a guess?
Water
right.
pollution. Water pollution.
All right. Let's find out. Okay. Let's go to this one. What about this picture? What do we notice?
It's black.
It's black. Okay.
Oil is being wasted in the lake.
Okay. So what is the oil?
Wait, that's oil.
You said oil.
So what?
Is it the black stuff or the stuff that's already in there?
Black stuff.
Okay.
The stuff.
Who else notices something?
Let's
go ahead.
The water is coming out as black.
Okay. Good job. You want to try?
The water dirty.
The water's dirty. Okay. Looks pretty dirty to me too. You want to try? Okay.
Water pollution.
All right. Maybe.
Inky.
Inky. I like that answer.
And
All right.
It's water pollution.
Now, how about this last picture?
Cloudy? No, can I buy you pizza?
All right. It looks cloudy. Okay.
It's, sunny. It's,
You think it looks sunny? Okay. That's a good guess.
It's, I know it.
There's no right or wrong
Foggy.
answer. Foggy. Okay.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Traffic.
Traffic. Okay.
The air, that's air pollution.
Okay.
Air pollution.
Okay.
Dusty.
Dusty.
Air pollution.
Air pollution.
There's a tree fell down.
A tree fell down. Okay, that's a good guess too.
If it fell down
Okay,
in the
so
dirt.
all these pictures that I just showed y'all, who can tell me what they all have in common? I've heard it a couple times.
It's pollution. Water
Pollution. Okay, good job. And how does pollution affect us?
Because it's air.
It's in the air. Okay.
Well,
Let's move on to what is pollution? Who want to give a guess of what is pollution without even reading this? What is pollution?
It's poisonous to animals. It's harmful to the ecosystem.
Good job. Who else? Anybody else has a guess?
That's really bad for animals, humans, and other
Okay. Anybody else?
people. It's bad for deep water.
Good job.
It's bad for soil and plants and other things like grass and stuff and hills.
All right.
That wasn't my question. It's toxic to animals.
Okay. Good job. Those all are good answers. So I have pollution is when something is added to the environment that is harmful or poisonous to living things. Okay, so the three most common types of pollution is air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. And those three photos were all three different examples of these types of pollutions. So today we're going to look at water pollution. Anybody want to take a guess of what is water pollution? Go ahead.
I can come with the board.
You can just tell me for your seat. I can't have you come up to the board.
Okay.
I like hearing how you're eager to participate though.
When trash come out and then water pollution make the a lot of trash.
I love it. So you said when trash comes out and it pretty much gets in the water?
No. I say a whole bunch of trash.
Okay, that's a good example. Okay, so let's watch this video and see what water pollution is about.
Turn it up from the bottom down there.
Thank you.
There.
Water pollution for kids. Have you ever thought about the water you drink, whether or not it's clean? Do you know what the word pollution means? Because the water in the second is definitely dirty and polluted. Water pollution
not
is
the correct
becoming
video.
a huge problem, which is why it's important.
Wait, little kitty, don't drink that water. Why? Because that water is polluted. Oh, hello, my friends. In today's episode, let us learn about one of our prized resources and an essential thing necessary for the existence of living beings. And that is none other than water. Zoom in. So, what is water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful and toxic waste, chemicals, or other particles enter water bodies such as rivers, ponds, seas, oceans, and so on, gets dissolved in them, lies suspended in.
Okay, who can give me an example of a water body? What is considered a body of water that may become polluted? If you were paying attention, you would know.
A lake.
A lake,
A river.
river,
Ocean.
ocean, and one last one. Stop
Sea.
P.
In a pond.
Pond. Good job.
In the water or gets deposited on the bed, resulting in the degradation of the quality of water. Not only does this harm our aquatic ecosystems, but the pollutants also reach the groundwater, which might end up in our houses as contaminated water we use in our daily activities, including drinking. But the most crucial question is, what causes water pollution? Well, sometimes water pollution can occur.
Okay, who wants to take a guess for this? Tell us what causes water pollution?
Oil leaking from pipes and trash being dug in the ocean.
Good job. Those are all good. Anybody else? So we got from oil spills and from trash being thrown in the ocean. What about other things that maybe we can't control?
Littering.
We can control littering, but that is a great one. Anybody else? Or we're gonna find out?
Yeah.
Anybody else wanna take a guess?
Yeah.
All right.
Occur due to natural activities such as volcano eruptions,
Volcano
animal waste,
eruptions,
algae
animal
blooms,
waste.
and residue from storms and floods.
All right. Those are important to remember because those might be at our quiz at the end.
Not only that, everyday sewage and sometimes even garbage from cities are dumped into oceans, resulting in polluting the water tremendously. Other factors that can lead to water pollution are pollution from oil spills, fossil fuel combustion, and chemical fertilizers and pesticides used by farmers. And once someone consumes this polluted water, it can lead.
What do we think happens when a person consumes a polluted water, what do you think could happen?
It can.
Just a human. We're going to move on to other species, but just a human. What do you think could happen?
It can poison you.
Okay? And what's it poison? What can that lead to?
It could kill your stomach acid.
Oh, good one. What about you? You got any? Kill you. Good job. All right, let's see what it tells
Lead to
us.
diseases such as hepatitis that
Diseases.
can be fatal.
All right, that can be
Also-
fatal. What does it mean? What does the word fatal mean?
When you're not feeling good.
Not quite. That's a good guess, though. Okay, so we know so far that if we consume this contaminated water or this polluted water, it can lead to us being fatalness. What could that mean? Death. Good job.
In many poor nations, there is always an outbreak of cholera and other infections
So we
due to
see how
contaminated
polluted
water.
water does not only affect us, but it also affects other countries or other nations too that requires this water.
Another major problem caused by water pollution is that it kills organisms that depend on water bodies.
Okay, so this is a good one. So basically, imagine you're at the beach and you're having a picnic at the beach, or you have your water bottle or your juice, your chip paper, your candy, whatever snacks you like to have at the beach. And you just leave that trash on the beach. What do you think happens to the trash?
It
goes in the water.
Okay, how does it get in the water?
The waves.
Good job. So it's washed up in the water, okay? So eventually, if everybody is littering on this beach, if everybody is pretty much throwing trash on the beach, what do you think is going to happen to this body of water we have?
It's going to get polluted.
Polluted, okay. And once the water is polluted, what happens to the organisms that's in that water?
It would get dirty and funky.
Okay, so the water get dirty. So what about the fish? What other organisms live in the water? How does that affect them?
Dolphins.
Okay, how does that affect them?
Kills them.
Yeah, it'll kill them because they're getting sick. Right?
Because they can eat it.
Right. Okay.
They're gonna think that's something that they can
All right.
eat.
I'm not
Then
sure what type of
fish,
shark this is.
crabs, birds, and dolphins, and many other animals often wind up on beaches, killed by pollutants in their habitat. And all these factors eventually damage the ecosystem, threatening life on Earth. So now we know
Okay. So if pollution is killing all of our fishes and animals in the ocean, how is that affecting other organisms?
Because the water's going and they're drinking. The trash goes in the ponds and the animals. You mean the deer?
Okay.
Yeah.
What about what do bears eat?
Meat.
Maybe fish if they're near water, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if the fish are not there, what do they want to eat?
I don't. Meat. No, they can eat honey.
Okay.
Trash on accident.
And if they eat that trash, what's going to happen to them?
They would they would die
Okay.
and they would get
So-
sick.
Okay, so if this water is polluted or contaminated as well, how does that affect us? As far as the fish in the water. What about if the fish gets contaminated? If the fish, if that fish comes back to us, that fish gets a disease and it comes back to us.
And we'll get sick.
Okay.
the root cause of water pollution and the fact that it can make humans and animals so sick that it can even be fatal. The next life-saving question is, what can we do to help our ecosystem?
All right. Before they tell us, what can we do? What do you think we can do to help?
Clean up the trash from the ocean.
Good job.
Put new water in it.
Good job.
Clean it.
Good job.
Wait.
Take
Take all the trash out of it.
Take all the trash out. Good job. All right, let's see what it tells you.
Prevent
Oh,
water
I'm sorry. What do you have?
That you can also.
All right, good job. I love all those answers. All those are good answers.
pollution. The first and foremost thing we can do is start by saving water.
Saving water.
Yes, friends.
How do we
Fresh
save
and
water?
clean water is more precious than anything else today. Let us do our every bit to make sure that we aren't wasting it recklessly. Start
All
by
right, you had a question? Or you want to make a comment?
You save the water, you have to keep the water clean.
All right, good job.
taking shorter showers. Make sure to turn off the running tap when not in use and check for any leakage occasionally. And most importantly, make sure to always pick up your trash, especially when at the beach, lake or river. And spread awareness about it by discussing its effects with friends and family by sharing this video as much as you can. Trivia time! Do you know only around 1% of the Earth's water is fresh
Alright, so only 1% of Earth's water is fresh water.
water? Yes, the rest is
The rest
salty
is salty
and
water.
we can't drink it.
And we cannot
Also,
drink that
you
water.
won't believe it, but between 5 and 10 million people die each year from water pollution related illnesses. Remember, my friends, as they say, if there is magic on this earth, it is contained in water. Water is the driving force of all nature. It is one basic element needed to sustain life on earth. We can survive up to several weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Until next.
Alright, so what I have is a little experiment we're going to complete. Alright, I need everybody to take out one pencil. Take out your pencil, please. Okay, I'll get you one.
Yourself until it reaches the heart.
Yep, take out a pencil.
Pencil. Pencil?
Yes, one pencil.
Anybody need a pencil?
And make sure that you put your name on the top of your paper.
I'm not big.
Alright. And I also have some crayons so we can add some color to our pictures. But we're not going to write on our crayons until I give you guys instructions, okay? We're not going to write on our papers with crayons just yet. Alright, I'm going to get a minute to get everybody their thing. You're welcome.
Are we using the crayons?
In a little bit. All right. Stop it. All right. So here's our little experiment. So right here, can I use your desk? Okay. Right here I have 2 fresh bottles of water, right?
Yeah.
Everybody see out my water bottles? I have 2 fresh bottles of water. Okay? So in your first column, it says, draw a picture of the unpolluted water. So this will be our unpolluted water. So if I was you, I probably would just draw some blue lines, regular water. Even though we know the water is not blue, we can use our imagination. Yes. Sir.
Draw now?
Yep, you can draw. Okay, so while you guys are doing that, we're going to see what it looks like when I pollute this water. So I'm going to pollute this water with candy, food, and trash. And we're going to see the difference in our water once I pollute the water. All right, so we're going to watch and observe what happens to the water once it's polluted. All right, so I'm just polluting my water right now. And we're observing what's happening once I pollute it. And I'm going to make sure I'm going to give everybody a chance to look at it. I got all types of trash and yucky stuff. That is a paper towel. So these are all things that can pollute the water.
And you know what the bad thing is? We do not drink water.
Correct.
It's gonna be bad.
You're gonna be sick.
No.
All right, so I got my polluted water bottle filling up. So this right here, we're going to pretend that this is oil. So we're going to pretend this oil is mixing in my water. This is my oil. Everybody see my oil?
Yeah. Wait, that's oil?
No, we're going to pretend it's oil. Look at that.
Ew.
Ew, right?
It's actually getting dirty.
All right. So I'm going to mix this all up because I'm going to pretend that a wave just came through and it's mixed all up. I'm going to mix this all up. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Why is it?
Look at this water.
Boo-boo water.
Yucky, right?
Is that like kind of like a great?
All right. So on your pictures, on your paper, draw me what you see. Draw your observations.
I don't have blue.
What do you see? You can use whatever you have. Thank you. Thank you so much. Use your imagination. Look at this. Can everybody see it?
Yeah.
This is my yucky, polluted water. Would you want to drink this water?
No.
Would you want to eat a fish that's been in the ocean with this water?
No.
Right. So this is why it's important to not litter and to be aware of water pollution. We see that versus our clear water. So what, in our two drawers, I have one drawer that says your unpolluted water, and then we have our polluted water bottle.
See, that's the polluted.
Okay. So then in the blank it says what could happen to the earth if what could happen to Earth if Earth's water if we litter.
We can die.
Okay. So on your lines, write what you think could happen. Just by looking at our observations, what could happen to the water?
Not blue water.
Oh, that's nasty. You want to drink that? I wouldn't
Drink
drink
it.
it.
I wouldn't drink it.
Yeah, I wouldn't drink this either.
Give me a sip.
Oh, get out. Get one sip. Get one sip.
Fresh water, please.
Fresh water versus polluted water.
I want some fresh water.
Let me take the fresh water.
All right. Go, see, you're not supposed to be in my video. Okay, so while you guys are working on that, I'm going to get our next assignment together.
I'll definitely drink clean water with
Get them going.
ice.
Don't try to spill it.
You got it.
This ain't yours.
All right. Okay, so we're going to put that to the side right now. I need everybody to pull out your Chromebooks. We're going to put that to the side and pull out your Chromebooks. We're going to have opportunity to go back to this and finish it, and we're going to review it. It's fine. You don't have you can just participate on the board.
We're doing later. We're gonna get the Chromebook out. Whoa, we can do it. I can keep doing it. What else? Alright. I don't have to do it. Just try.
All right. That put it to the side. Take out your Chromebooks. Let's put it to the side and take out our have it, it's fine.
They're gonna look at us.
I didn't want.
Wait, when we going? Go to your desk. Miss Kiera.
Alright, let's get it moving.
Wait, wait there.
Alright, let's quietly take out our Chromebooks. Quietly. Yes.
That's good. Yeah, I can see them.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Good question. Once you have out your Chromebooks,
It's over.
alright, 1 second.
No.
Man, Gabby. Don't take him off.
Wait. This sounds like a
No. No. No.
Yes.
What is this? Oh yeah.
You have to wait as you go. Wait,
Have a
turn it
seat.
all the way off and turn it all the way back on. Okay. Fine.
Is it Kahoot or okay?
Come here, real quick.
It's Kahoot. I don't remember the sound. I can't remember.
I need to flip that.
Oh yeah. See, it's Kahoot.
Alright. Once you get on the Kahoot, go ahead and log in.
How to get on there? Can I?
Alright, we're going to
I need
Kahoot.
help. Go on Google and then go on Kahoot.
Kahoot.
Time.
I'm in.
Alright, we're going to walk around and help you guys get in.
Okay, I'm in. Alright,
Alright, so we'll enter our game pin once we get there. Alright, put your name in. Kahoot.
I'm in. Can I get some help?
Yeah.
Here, you got it. Alright, go one more minute. I'm ready to start. Kahoot, everybody in.
Wait a minute.
And my name? You ready? I'm joining.
Alright, so if you're not in now, it's okay. We're just going to play on the board. Okay? If you're not in right now, it's okay.
I'm in.
I know where to put my name.
Alright, get ready to start.
Water
When does water pollution occur? Is it triangle, when someone takes a bath? Circle, when harmful and toxic waste enters the body of water? Diamond, when someone does not clean the water? Or square, when someone mixes water with another substance? Alright, mark for 20. Good job. When harmful and toxic waste enters the body of water. Good job. Alright, let's keep quiet. I'm glad you guys are excited, but let's keep quiet. Stay on task. Which is not considered a body of water? Is it triangle or water bottle? Circle, ocean, diamond ponds, or square rivers? Which one is it? It's not considered. Good job.
No. I ain't.
Alright, which is not a cause of water pollution? Is it triangle, items placed in a water bottle, circle, volcanoes, diamond, animal waste, or square, storms and floods? Which is not a cause? Good job. Items placed in a water bottle.
Who got that one?
Okay. Which is a major problem of water pollution? Is it triangle? It kills organisms that depend on water bodies. Circle? It makes people not want to swim in water. Diamond? People do not know how to clean the water once it is polluted. Or square? I just don't know. Which one is it? Alright, good job. And you got that right. It kills organisms that depend on water bodies.
You water roll.
Alright, good job. What does the word fatal mean? Is it triangle, to live? Circle, not clean? Diamond, drinking dirty water? Or square, causing death?
Square is causing death.
Good job.
I accidentally picked the wrong answer.
It's okay.
Me too.
Because I am from
Okay. What can we do to help reduce water pollution? Triangle, drink more water. Circle, by saving water. Diamond, add trash to the water. Or square, help our moms cook dinner.
Help our moms cook dinner.
What can we do?
No.
By saving water. Good job.
You big word.
You can't.
Air, you're on fire.
Yeah.
Dang, 3 straight.
All right. What percent of the Earth's water is fresh water? Remember, we talked about this on the video. Is it diamond 1%, circle 100, triangle 1, circle 100, diamond 50, or square 400?
No. Yes.
1%. Good job.
I'm on fire.
All right.
Why you sitting your seat?
About how many people have died each year due to water pollution? Is it triangle 1 to 2,000, circle 5 to 10 million, diamond 1 to 300, or square? None. Which one is it?
Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. No.
All right.
I already knew. I went.
I'm on
I'm
fire.
going to
At least I'm
quit.
on the top. I'm gonna get you.